Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making fish-flavored eggplant. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut the eggplant into chunks and place them in a bowl of water to prevent oxidation and browning. Slice the green onion and ginger and mince the garlic to prepare for cooking. In a bowl, mix together 10 milliliters of cooking wine, 20 milliliters of soy sauce, 30 milliliters of vinegar, 40 grams of sugar, 50 milliliters of water, and 10 grams of cornstarch to make a sauce. This sauce is essential for achieving the unique fish-fragrant flavor of the dish. Heat oil in a pan and stir-fry the eggplant chunks until they change color. During the stir-fry, add a bit more oil midway to give the eggplant a glossy appearance. Remove the eggplant from the pan and set aside. Add a small amount of oil to the pan and saute the Sichuan peppercorns until fragrant, then remove them to infuse the oil with a subtle peppercorn aroma. Add the chopped chili peppers and doubanjiang to the pan and stir-fry until the oil turns red and fragrant. Next, add minced garlic, the sliced green onion, and sliced ginger to the pan, followed by the eggplant. Pour in the prepared sauce and stir-fry everything together until the eggplant is evenly coated and the sauce is well distributed. Cook until the sauce thickens slightly and everything is heated through. Serve this flavorful fish-fragrant eggplant dish hot. The eggplant should be tender and infused with a rich, aromatic sauce, making it a perfect accompaniment to rice. Friends, you must try our fish-flavored eggplant. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.